Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to set up line list wallpaper for your desktop with universal line list wallpaper. After finish, you will have a desktop like that. Okay, let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file, your exact file. You have a folder with line list wallpaper inside. Okay. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store. You search up line list wallpaper and install it. You click open. This is line list wallpaper interface. In this window, you click Add Wallpaper. Click open and link to folder with line list wallpaper file inside and select it. Click OK. As you see, now line list wallpaper was set for desktop. You can minimize apps to system child by click this and OK. Now you right click View and stick the desktop icon to hide all icons in desktop. Now you can see desktop look very clean. You can also hide icon in this taskbar by click right unspin, right unspin, right click unpin. About three icons, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and change to off, alt. And you see all icons in taskbar already unspin. You can also make taskbar become transparent by go to Microsoft Store and search up just add Lotion TP. You click install. This app very short, near more 3 MB. You click open. As you see, that bar already changed to transparent. You click continue. Now you can go to system child. Click in this icon. All feature in desktop clear is transparent. Okay, so we already finished set up a line list wallpaper for desktop. But you can make your desktop look more better by go to my channel. This is my channel. You go to playlist and access skin rainmeter for Windows desktop. You can review all videos in this playlist and select one package which you see is the best and follow my guide to set up it for your desktop. I will usually update more skin package in this playlist. You can access this playlist by links I put in the description below. So I already finished set up universal line list wallpaper for desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.